Right. Let's determine in terms of base units the units of charge Q if it is the case that the magnitude of charge is equal to the product of current and the time of current flow. And then here we'll determine the units in terms of base units of the strength of an electric field, which is denoted by E, if the strength of an electric field is equal to the force per unit charge. You can pause the video and then attempt these two problems. Right, let's go for red. Let me just choose this one. How does it look? Okay, let me choose this one, and then let's go. And charge is okay. Let me just remove. Okay. Yeah. So let's go on. Charge, the magnitude of charge is equal to the product of current and time. So Q, okay, maybe not. Okay, I think let's stick with white. Okay. Q is IT, and the units, okay, units of Q, what are the units of current? The units of current is amperes, which is denoted by A. What are the units of time? Units of time is second, which is S. So the units of this quantity, charge Q, is ampere second. So then, okay, thus 1 coulomb, which is definition of the unit for electric charge is 1 coulomb is equal to 1 ampere second. So that is 1 coulomb of charge, which is denoted by C. And this is 1, by the way. Okay. We'll just do that, right? But let's go to number 2. So the electric field, the strength of an electric field is equal to force per unit charge. Strength of the electric field is equal to force per unit charge. I'll write that. Per means division, and the charge I will write the small letter Q, and you will see that in when we cover electrostatics. So what will be the units of E? Okay, so this implies that the units of E, what are the units of force? That's newtons. Units of charge, we just define that to be charge, to be coulomb, sorry. So therefore the units of the electric field, strength of an electric field, or the units of E are newtons per watt. per coulomb. This is equal to then, in terms of base units, this equals to the units of 1 Newton. We know that 1 Newton is equal to 1 kilogram meters per watt per square second, and therefore times this by what? By per coulomb. So these are the units of the electric field in terms of base units. Okay. We just replace the Newton with the kilograms meters per watt. I don't know, per square second.